Hi. So again we have to find the highest common factor. But here we have three expressions for which we have to find highest common factor. So what will be the first step? First we will find the factors of all the three expressions and then we will find the common factors among them. So the first expression which we have to factorize is 3x to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 4x square, right? As we can see, x square is common among all the terms, so I am taking it common, and then we will be left with 3x square plus 8x plus 4, right? And then what we do? Here we have 3x square plus 8x plus 4 inside the square bracket, and now we have to factorize this. So to factorize this, I'll multiply this 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12, and now I'll factorize this 12 into two factors in such a way that by adding those two factors I should get 8. So the factors of 12 can be 6 multiplied by 2, which when added will give us 8. So this can be written as x square will be written as it is, and inside the square bracket we will rewrite this expression as 3x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 4, right? Yes. So x square is as it is, and from these two terms we can take 3x common, and inside the bracket we will have x plus 2, and from the next two terms we can take 2 common, and again inside the bracket we will have x plus 2, right? So x square will be written as it is, and if we see these two terms properly, both of them have x plus 2 common, and then we will be left with 3x plus 2, right? So we have found the factors of 3x to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 4x square, and they are x square, x plus 2 and 3x plus 2, right? And now we will repeat the same procedure with the second expression, and then we will find the factors. So let me erase all these steps because we don't need them anymore. So now we will take second expression, which is 3x to the power 5 plus 11x to the power 4 plus 6x cube, and now we will factorize this. Here if we see properly, every term has x cube common, so I am writing it outside, and inside the bracket we will be left with 3x square plus 11x plus 6, right? And now we have to factorize this 3x square plus 11x plus 6. So what we do? Yes, we will multiply 3 with 6. 3 multiplied by 6 gives us 18. And now we have to factorize this 18 in such a way that by adding those two factors we should get 11. So we know 9 2s are 18, and 9 plus 2 gives us 11, right? So x cube will be written as it is, and the expression inside the bracket we will write as 3x square, and this 11x I'll write as 9x plus 2x, and this 6 will again be rewritten as it is, right? And now I'll write x cube as it is, and from these two terms 3x can be taken common, and inside the bracket we will have x plus 3, right? And from the next two terms we can take 2 common, and again inside the bracket we will have x plus 3, right? And now inside the square bracket we have two terms where x plus 3 is common, so this x cube will be written as it is, and we'll take x plus 3 common, and then we will be left with 3x plus 2, right? So we have found the factors of next expression also, and the factors are x cube multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2, right? So we have found the factors of 3x to the power 5 plus 11x to the power 4 plus 6x cube, and the factors are x cube multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2, right? So since we have found the factors, we'll erase the steps. And now we are left with one more expression which needs to be factorized. So the expression which needs to be factorized is 3x to the power 4 minus 16 x cube minus 12x square. Yes, again we can take x square common, and then we will be left with 3x square minus 16x minus 12, right? And now again we will repeat the same procedure. We will multiply this 3 and minus 12. When 3 gets multiplied by minus 12, we get minus 36. And now we have to find the factors of minus 36 in such a way that we get minus 16 by adding those two factors. So the factors of minus 36 can be minus 18 and 2. When these two factors we add, we'll get minus 16. So this expression can be rewritten as x square multiplied by 3x square minus 18x plus 2x minus 12, right? And now we can group two terms, and from first two terms we can take 3x common, and inside the bracket we'll be left with x minus 6. And from next two terms we can take 2 common, and inside the bracket we'll be left with x minus 6, right? And this further can be written as x square multiplied by, from these two terms x minus 6 can be taken common, and inside the bracket we'll be left with 3x plus, right? So we have got the factors of third term also, and the factors are x square multiplied by x minus 6 multiplied by 3x plus 2, right? Yes. So now we have got the factors of all the expressions, and now we will find the common factors. So again I am going to erase the steps, and now let's look for the common factors. So we have x square, x cube and x square. So x square is common among all the three, and then we have this 3x plus 2 common in all the three set of factors, right? So this can also be taken common, right? So HCF will be x square multiplied by 3x plus 2.